So multiplication means adding, adding means multiplication. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n in logarithm. Log 10 is equal to 1, log 1 is equal to 0. Division means minus, minus means division. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Hello, my dear students. Good morning to everybody. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Quantitative Technique, 4th semester, BCom, Unit 1 and Session Go 4, and session goes in favor of indices and logarithms. We already solved about 30 problems on indices. Today we are going to have logarithms without table. Logarithms without table. In log we have got two distinctions. One is seeing the log table and do the problem. Second one, without seeing that log table, do the problem. In logarithm, plus multiplication means plus, or plus means multiplication. Division means subtraction or minus. In logarithm, multiplication means plus, or plus is equal to multiplication. Division means minus, or minus means division is there. So we'll move on to the logarithm today without seeing the log table. In the next session, we will go with the log table, how to get the answer for them, we'll look after. So we'll move on now. This is a basis. Here, in logarithm, we say that always small log of mn, we can write log m plus log n. So when you say log mn, so multiplication means adding, adding means multiplication. Log mn can be written as log m plus log n, or log mn can be log m plus log n can be written as log mn. Then log m divided by n can be written as log m minus log n. So division means minus, minus means division. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Log m divided by n is equal to log m minus log n. Then log a to the power of m can be written as log am. Or we can say log 4 to the power of 2. This can be written as log 8. By chance, same number. By chance, if you write like this, log 4 square, this is 16. Then change of base. Then this can be written as log a into b to the power of m. This is log a to the power of m, b to the power of m. Change of base, then you can write log 6 to the base a. This can be written as log 6 divided by log a. So we'll move on to problem now. How to write this log 9 to the base? Log 9 to the base 5, log 9 to the base 7, log 7 to the base 3. How to write? Log 9 to the base 5, log 5 to the base 7, log 9 to the base 3. We can write. How to write? Log 9 divided by log 5 into log 5 divided by log 7. This can be written as log 7 divided by log 3. So how to write? Log 9 divided by log 5, log to the base we say, to the base. How to say? Log 9 to the base 5. We can say that log 9 divided by log 5, log 5 to the base log 7, log 7 to the base 3. I will repeat. log 9 to the base 5. We can write log refers to both log 9 divided by log 5. Then log 5 divided by log 7. Then log 7 divided by log 3. Now simplify this. Log 5 cancelled out. Log 7 cancelled out. What is left over? Log 9 divided by log 3. Log 9 can be written as log 3 square divided by log 3. Log 3 square can be written as 2 log 3 divided by log 3. Cancel log 3, log 3. What is left out? 2. 2. See that? We can write this. Log 3 to the power of 4. See that? Log 3 to the power of 4 can be written as 4 log 3. Then log 2 to the power of 5. How to write? 5 log 2. So clockwise you can have written like this. Log 9 can be written as log 3 square. Log 3 square is 2 log 3 divided by log 3. Log 3 cancelled out. It is 2. We'll move on to next problem now. What's the problem says? Log x to the base 7. Log x squared to the base 7. Log x cubed to the base 7. We can write log x to the base log 7 into log x squared to the base log 7 into log x cubed to the base log 7. So this can be written as log x divided by log 7. So into means we can have plus 2 log x divided by log 7 plus 3 log x divided by log 7. Multiplication becomes adding. If we take the log 7 as a base, this is 3 log x, 2 log x, 6, 1 log x. This is 1 log x, 6 log x. Cross multiply 6 log x. 6 log x is equal to 6 log 7. You cancel the 6 log x is equal to 7. 6 log x is equal to 6 log 7. 6 log can be cancelled out. What is the x value? X is equal to 7. Simplification, slowly simplified. I think you understand. Log x divided by log 7, log x squared divided by log 7, log x cubed divided. So into means adding. How I have written? Log x to the base 7, 2 log x to the base log 7, 3 log x to the base 7 is equal to 6. So log x divided by log 7, then 2 log x divided by log 7 plus 3 log 3 plus 2 log x common, log x plus 2 log x plus 3 log x, it is 6 log x is equal to 6. 6 log x is equal to 6 log 7, x is equal to 7. Then we move on to log 75 divided by 16, 2 log 5 divided by 9 log. So I told you, plus means multiplication. This can be written as log 75 divided by 16. This can be multiplied 2 times. This can be written as reverse 9 by 5 whole square into 32 divided by 243. So simplify this. Log 75 divided by 6. 9 nines are 81 divided by 25 into 32 divided by 343. Okay, plus means multiplication, minus we can write to bottom, then come back here. No problem at all. We can write this one this way also. Divisible, we can write this one. 75 divided by 6 into 32 divided by 243 divided by 5 by 9 whole square. We can write like, then we can take outside. So I directly taken, that's all. Simplify this. So 25, this is 25, 3 is 75, 81 3 is 343, 3 cancelled out. Here now. So you have got 32 divided by 37 is there now. 32 divided by 37. This is log 32. Log 7. We can write that. Log 75 divided by, that is 75 divided by 16 into 9 square divided by 5 square into, this is 32 divided by 243. This is 75 divided by 16. 81 divided by 25. This is 32 divided by 243. Simplify this. 16 twos are 32. 25 threes are 75. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 81. 81 cancelled out. The answer is log 2. This is your log 2 answer. So it is not log 7, it is log 2. So I will repeat. 75 divided by 61, 81 divided by 25, 32 divided by 5. So 25 3s are, 16 2s are, 8 here no, 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 81, 81 cancelled out. Then 2 2 here, what is left over is the 2. You go to next one. Log 384 divided by 5, log 81 divided by 32, log 5 by 3 is log 9. This can be written as 384 divided by 5 into 81 divided by 32. This is 5 by 3 whole cube minus log 9, or this can be written as 384 divided by 5 into 81 divided by 32 into 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 125 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then log 9 minus no, this will come in the bottom. Simplify this. So 21 is there, 27 3s are 81, 32 is there, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 25 is there. Then 384 divided by 32, 384 divided by 32 is equal to 12. 12s are. So what is left over now? It is 12 into 5 divided by 9. This is 9 is there. So 5 4s are 20. I will repeat once again. 384 divided by 5 into 81 divided by 32. 5 cube is 125. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 can be written as in the bottom or reverse 1 over 9. Simplify. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 32 12s are, 27 3s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 25 into 4 is log 100. 25 into 4 is a log 100. This can be written as, so I simplify log 100. This can be written as log 10 square. We can write 2 log 10. In logarithms, in log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1. This is 2 into log 10. 1 is 2. This is the answer. Proved. Once again, I'll repeat. 384. If you want, you can write 384 divided by 5. 81 divided by 32. This is 125 divided by 27. So minus means division 1 over 9. 1 over 9. So what I did know, 23 7 3s are, 32 12s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. 25 into 4 is 100 is equal to 10 square. So 10 square, log 10 square is 2 log 10. We know that log 10 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is 2. We have proved. Then we move on to next one. This is log 41 divided by 35. Log 41 divided by 35. This reverse into 2 divided by 41. Inverse of this minus means inverse into 70 divided by 100 into, this can be written as log 5 square. Once again, log 41 divided by 35, 2 divided by 41. So this can be simplified. 7 divided by 10 This is 25. So simplify. 41 will go out. 5 sevens are 5 fives are 7 cancelled out. 5 twos are 2 ones are. It is log 1. In logarithms, log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. In logarithm, log 10 is equal to 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. We'll move on to next one. This is the sixth problem. We can write 16 into root 3 can be written as b to the power of half log a into c to the power of half into log b, then a to the power of half divided by log d into d to the power of half divided by log c. So this is b to the power of half, b to the power of c. This is nothing but log, we can write 16. Log b to the power of half divided by log a into log c to the power of half divided by log b into log a to the power of half divided by log d into log d to the power of half divided by log c. So, I have written slowly. Cancel log b, log b, log a, log a, log c, log c, log d, log d. What is left over? 16, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 16 into 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 is 16. This is 1 by 16. So, is equal to 1. Proved. (16) half, half, half. Log has been, there is no log at all, only number. It is not log 1, only a simple number. 16, all log has been cancelled out. So what is left over? Half into half into half into half is equal to 1. We'll move on to next one. 7th one. Log 3 to the base 5 log 3 divided by 5 into log 4 divided by log 3 then log 5 divided by log 2, or this can be written as log 3 divided by log 5 log 2 square divided by log 3 log 5 divided by log 2. I have written log 3 divided by log 5 log 2 square divided by log 3 log 5 divided by log 2. Then this can be written as log 3 divided by log 5 into 2 log 2 divided by log 3 into log 5 divided by log 2. Log 3 cancelled out. Log 5 cancelled out. Log 2 cancelled out. Answer is 2. Proved. Simply, very, very simple problems. Slowly we have to do. We'll move on to next one. 7 log 16 by 15, 5 log 25 by 24, 3 log 81 by 18. So this can be written as log 16 by 15 to the power of 7 into 25 divided by 24 to the power of 5 into 81 divided by 80 to the power of 3. Simplify. 16 divided by 15 to the power of 7, 25 divided by 24 to the power of 5, 81 divided by 80 to the power of 3. This can be simplified. 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 7 into 3 into 5 to the power of 7. This is one group. Then this can be written as 5 squared to the power of 5. This can be written 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube, 8 into 3. This is another group. 81, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3, 81. So 3 to the power of 4 divided by, come back here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power of 4 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16 into 5 to the power of 3. Simplify, slowly simplify. This can be written as 2 to the power of 28 into 5 to the power of 10. This is 3 to the power of 12 divided by 3 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 7. This is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 3, 3 5s are 15 into 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 12, 2 to the power of 12, 5 to the power of 3. This is nothing but formula am to the power of n, a to the power of mn. A to the power of m to the power of n, we can write as a to the power of mn. Simplify. 2 into 28, I have taken 2. Come back, any 2 is there, 28 minus 15 minus 12. Come back to 3. 3 to the power of 12. This is repeated. 3 to the power of 12 minus 7 minus 5 into 5. 5 to the power of 10 Then 5 to the power of 7 minus 3. This is 2 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 0, 5 to the power of 0. This is nothing but 2 into 1 into 1. This is nothing but log 2. Proved. Simplify. Slowly I have simplified. Good. Then go to next problem. 8th one. 9 log to the base 4. 9 x 9. 9 log to the base 4. It is 9th problem. I think log 4 to the base x and something. Log 4 to the log x plus log 16 to the log x plus log 64 to the log x. This can be written as log 2 square divided by log x plus this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 log 2 to the power of 4 divided by log x. This 64, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2, 64. This can be written as log 2 to the power of 6 divided by log x. This can be written like this. Then this can be written as 2 log 2 divided by log x plus 4 log 2 divided by log x plus 6 log 2 divided by log x is equal to 12. So this is 6 plus 4, 12, 10 plus 12 log 2 divided by log x is equal to 12. Simplify. So 12 log x is equal to 12 log 2. 12 log x divided by 12 log x. 12 log cancelled out. X is equal to 2. This is the 9th problem. That's all. They have written 9. It is not 9. It is the 9th problem. That's all. It is not 9. 9th problem. That's all. So I have proved. I have written 2 square, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 6 divided by log x, 12 log 2 divided by log 6, 12 log 7. So we'll move on to next problem, last problem. Log 2 to the base 8, log 16 to the base 64, log 2 56. This can be written as log 2 to the base log 8 into reverse log 64 divided by log 16 reverse log 8 log 256. This is log 64. You have got 2 by 8. 64 divided by 16. 8 divided by 256. So this can be written as log 2 cube into log 64. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 64. So log 2 to the power of 6, log 2 to the power of 4. This is log 2 cube. This is 256. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2, 64, 64 into 2, 128, 7 into 2. So this is 2 to the power of log 2 to the power of 8. This is log 2, 3 log 2 into 6 log 2 divided by 4 log 2 into 3 log 2 divided by 8 log 2. Log 2, 3 log 2, 6 log 2 divided by 4 log 2, 3 log 2 divided by 8 log 2. Log 2, 1 by 3. Log 2, 6 by 4. Log 2, 3 by 8. 3, 3 cancelled out. 2 3s are 2 2s are. This is 2 3s are 2 2s are. This is 3 by 16. Proved. Simplify this. Last one. Log 6 root 6. So this can be written as log root 3 into 2 plus or into log 2 divided by 3 minus log 2. This can be written as log 3 to the power of 4 log 3 to the power of 4 into half log 3 into 2 to the power of half. This can be written as half log 2 minus half log 3 minus log 2. This can be written as half log 3 plus half log 2 minus half log 2 minus half log 3 minus log 2. Half log 3, half log 3, half log 2 plus this is half log 2, this is half log 2 plus half log 2 minus half log 3. Half log 2 plus half log 2 is 1 plus 1 log 2 minus 1 log is equal to 0. What I did know, log 3 I have written log 3 into 2, log 2 by 3 like 3. So this is nothing but root means half log 3 plus half log 2. This can be written as into plus half log 2 minus half log 3 there. Half log 2 is 1 log 2 minus log 2 cancelled out. Half log 3 cancelled out. It's 0. I have proved. So many problems we have solved. About this, we come across about the 10 problems without using the logarithm. I already told in logarithms, no, minus means division, division means minus, multiplication means adding, multiplication means adding, Division means minus. We solve the problem, about 10 problem. If we go through it, it's okay. In the next session, please bring the log. You have the logarithm table with you. I'm going to teach what is log and anti-log. I will repeat so many times. Have the logarithm table in your home. I will teach in the next class about the logarithm, seeing the table and say how to look after the log table. So meet you in the next class with logarithm table. Hope we'll have another session of logarithm with the table. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.